artificial intelligence. So we will see what is artificial intelligence and where do we use it. But before that, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. Let's start with artificial intelligence. So we will learn about what is AI, how does AI work, applications of AI and limitations of AI. What is AI? That is artificial intelligence. First of all, let's see what is intelligence. So the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills is known as intelligence. And the ability of machines to think and learn on their own is called as artificial intelligence. For example, chess playing computers, self-driving cars, personal digital assistant apps like Alexa, flying drones, voice recognition apps, these all use artificial intelligence, that is AI. These devices use various technological tools to learn and make decisions of their own. Therefore, artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. What contributes to AI? Computer science, neuron science, maths, psychology, biology, sociology, and philosophy. Let's see the development of artificial intelligence. Computer scientists have been working on artificial intelligence for decades. The picture shows the progression of AI through the years. Starting from 1950 to 1970s was the era of neural networks. Early work with neural stirs excitement for thinking machines. Then came the time for machine learning, which was from 1980 to 2010. Machine learning becomes popular in this era. And in the present day, AI is booming with deep learning. Let's see how does AI work. So basically, there are four components of AI: artificial neural networks, machine learning, natural language processing, which is known as NLP, and deep learning. For example, our bodies have sensory organs to take the input such as sound, sight, and touch. So if we want to pick an object, then our brain will process this data and take the decision, sending the signals to the body to perform the action. Similarly, artificial intelligence uses sensors like human body to collect raw data of what's going on around, and then, like our brain, makes sense and decides what action to perform. The first component is artificial neural networks, ANN. So basically, ANN is very much similar to biological neural network. The brain passes information through a chain of neurons in order to understand and classify data. Similarly, the ANN contains interconnected nodes through which data is passed and classified. The network is able to make decisions or predictions with accuracy based on the data fed to it. There is an added feature in this network which senses if the decision taken is right or wrong and gives this feedback to the ANN. Based on this, the ANN can change its future approach. ANN can be taught to recognize images, speech, patterns, etc., and classify them according to their contents. For example, to recognize a cat in an image, a node of ANN will compare it with the images of cats and other animals already available in its system. It will identify if the given image is of a cat, and other neurons will confirm if the result is accurate or not. The result will help it to learn and get smarter and more accurate next time. The second component is machine learning. When any child learns to identify objects or persons, we simply show them multiple examples of the object, and then our human brain automatically identifies the features and learns to identify that object. Machine learning model works in a similar way. So, machine learning means giving a machine access to information and letting the machine learn from it on its own. A machine learning is an approach to achieve artificial intelligence and uses a set of algorithms to analyze data and learn from the data to make informed decisions. Artificial intelligence can work without using machine learning, but this would require building millions of lines of code with complex rules and decision trees. So rather than feeding computers and machine instructions on how to do everything, it is far more efficient to code them to think like human beings. For example, shopping recommendations in Amazon or Flipkart based on your previous buying decisions. The third component is deep learning. Deep learning is one of many approaches to machine learning. In deep learning, a large amount of data is fed into the computer system, which it uses to make decisions about other data. This is achieved by passing data through multiple layers of artificial neural networks. Deep learning can be applied to any form of data: machine signals, audio, video, speech, and written words to produce conclusions like humans at high speed. Deep learning requires a huge amount of data to be able to take accurate decisions. Examples: navigation of self driving cars. Using sensors and onboard analytics, cars are learning to recognize obstacles and react to them appropriately using deep learning. We conclude that artificial intelligence is human intelligence exhibited by machines. Machine learning is an approach to achieve artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a technique for implementing machine learning. So, according to the given diagram, when machines carry out tasks based on algorithms in an intelligent manner, it is AI. Machine learning is a subset of AI and is the ability of machines to learn for themselves based on given data and changing algorithms as they learn more about the information they are processing. Deep learning goes yet another level deeper and can be considered a subset of machine learning. A neural network may only have a single layer of data, while a deep neural network has two or more layers. The last and fourth component of artificial intelligence is NLP, that is, natural language processing. Natural language refers to the way we humans communicate with each other by speech or text. Humans speak hundreds of languages with different dialects, slangs, and accents, which is not easily understood by computers. Similarly, humans find it difficult to communicate with computers using the machine language. So, NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to analyze and understand human language and also communicate with us using similar natural language. Google and other search engines base their translation technology on NLP. This technology allows algorithms to read text on a web page, interprets its meanings, and translate it to another language. Also, the example is Siri in iPhones. If you talk to Siri, it talks to you back. Let's put some light on myths about artificial intelligence. So, when someone mentions artificial intelligence, most of us imagine human like robots taking over the world or helping humans in their day to day chores like cooking, serving, buying groceries, etc. In reality, AI is being used for a wide range of applications. Contrary to the prevalent belief, AI will not replace humans in various jobs, but is meant to work in collaboration with humans by creating new type of jobs and roles. Applications of AI. The first application of AI is in social networking. On Facebook, when you upload your pictures, it automatically highlights faces and suggests the friends to tag. On Instagram, when you type the name of any emoji, it will identify the meaning of emoji. On Snapchat, when you make some different faces, it will track the facial movements and allow you to add animated effects on your faces. In future, social media apps will be able to identify fake news, messages sent with wrong intention, etc. In airlines, we have been using AI tools as autopilot since many years. Now we are also using it to bring efficiency in booking tickets and customer services. In future, AI will be used to make air travel safer and more comfortable for passengers. AI may even generate more pilotless flights. Smart virtual assistants like Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, these accept voice commands to play music, order items online, set reminders, etc. To show the future of AI, Facebook has built Jarvis, a home assistant, which can connect a large range of home devices to one network. Jarvis can play music as per your preference and recognize friends at the door. In banking and personal finance, we can use AI to create smart apps to help customers deposit checks without going to banks or identify financial frauds, etc. In future, robot advisor will give customers sound investing advice and help them to make accurate decisions. In the field of commuting, we have Google Maps, which can analyze the speed of movement of traffic and suggest the fastest routes. Also, the apps like Uber and Ola calculate the price of your ride, minimize the wait time, predict peak times, etc. All this by machine learning. Also, AI will shorten our commute even further via self driving cars that will result in up to 90% fewer accidents. In online shopping, Amazon uses artificial neural networks to search for products and recommends products you may be interested in. Machine learning is also used for fraud prevention in online credit card transactions. In future, online retailers will increase their revenue by helping you find and buy the products you are interested in. A standard feature on smartphones today is voice to text. For example, you click on microphone icon next to search box and start speaking, and your phone converts the audio into text. Gmail successfully filters 99.9% of spam using machine learning. In future, your inbox can reply to emails for you. Also, Google has developed Hello, a new instant messaging app which can use smart reply. Limitations of AI. Although AI has progressed a lot in recent years, it is still not able to accurately identify human behavior like emotions and identify and handle objects as smoothly as humans. A lot of research and development is yet to be done before we reach that stage. Thank you, friends. I hope this video is useful to you in understanding the concepts of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop them in comment section below. We'll meet again in a new video. Till then, happy learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.